So हुआ यूँ कि I was dating Anmol and we happened to be in Delhi. I was shooting for Jolly LLB at that time. और मैं दिल्ली में थी, कुछ किसी इवेंट के लिए थी, and early morning I got a message from Adi sir saying that I want to meet you, I want to have a meeting, so let me know when. So I told him मैं दिल्ली में हूँ, आके मिलती हूँ and all that. Now this was not the first time Adi ji had like called me. I had met him twice before, but the films were like Neil and Nikki या फिर बचना है हसीनों. Those films I didn't relate myself to those characters. तो मुझे वो बहुत ही, it's not a great thing to say no to someone, you know, it's very difficult to say no to someone. बहुत ही politely, respectfully मुझे वो फिल्में decline करनी पड़ी. This time when he messaged me, I was like, अब मुझे लग रहा है कि कुछ अच्छा होगा, you know, the kind of films that I want to do, ये कुछ ऐसा offer होगा. So I remember I went to the Yash Raj studio. Anmol drove me to the Yash Raj studio for that meeting. And Adi sir was sitting in his huge palace kind of an office room. And the first question he asked me was that, Amrita, I've met you before, twice before, and I've offered you films. And that time you had certain reservations that were sacred to you. Do you still have those reservations? So I said, sir, what is the role? So he said, I'm not calling you for just a role. I want to sign you as an in-house Yash Raj artist because I see that you have a lot of potential and I'm building a bank of good actors and I want you to be a Yash Raj artist. तो वो मेरे लिए इतना बड़ा मौका था, okay? But what I liked about Adi sir was he had such clarity of thought. He said, see, I'm not offering you just a role or something that I can narrate to you. All I can tell you is that if you come, you join the Yash Raj, you know, we will make sure that, you know, we'll give you the best training, the best whatever, fitness, styling, everything. And you'll be right out there, you know, working in the best of films, the topmost actors. But you have to decide. Once you surrender in good faith, then you have to surrender, like no questions asked. You know, then you have to be it will be like kissing scene हो सकता है, कुछ भी outfit shot हो सकता है. You questions नहीं पूछ सकते आप. But you have to trust us that we make our heroines look sensuous, not vulgar, not indecent, sensuous and attractive. But I'm very clear that मुझे सूरज जी के लिए बहुत respect है. But मैं सूरज जी के audience के लिए फिल्में नहीं बनाता. मैं college audience के लिए फिल्में बनाता हूँ जो they just want popcorn entertainment. They're not judging you. He said, what are you afraid of? Are you afraid of being judged? Like if you do a kissing scene on screen. I said, no, I don't really care about लोग क्या कहेंगे. It's about me. You know, like मुझे क्या करना है screen पे. So he said, think about it. अच्छा, one more. I think I became a fan of him at that moment. He said, इतना मत सोचो, just ask yourself one question. Are you happy? If the answer is yes, maybe I don't need you. But if the answer is नहीं, मुझे, you know, अभी भी वो भूख है और मुझे दिखाना है screen पे और मैं यहाँ पे, you know, I want to continue doing films and go with the following generation, then please welcome aboard. So that was a turning point for me when I decided that, you know, sometimes in life you're just waiting for something कि ये मुझे मिले and then God says ये लो and you're like, oh my God, मुझे चाहिए नहीं था. You know, so that was like such clarity of thought कि इसके बाद अभी मैं लाइफ में खुश हूँ, you know, क्योंकि मुझे जो फिल्में करनी है, if they want an Amrita Rao, they will come to an Amrita Rao because then nobody can fit those shoes, only Amrita Rao can. तो उसके बाद मुझे कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं था कि मुझे फिल्में मिल रही है नहीं मिल रही है, मैं कर रही हूँ और लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोग तो कुछ भी कहेंगे, कहते ही रहेंगे. तो या